Hey friends, welcome to Knowledge Nest.
I'm delighted to be here with you today. You know, I've often said that life is a journey and success is something we build step by step, day by day. And if there's one thing I've learned over the years, it's that success is not something we pursue, it's something we attract by the person we become. I wasn't always in this business. In fact, when I was 25, I was struggling, broke, in debt, and full of excuses. But then I met a mentor, Earl Schoaf, who changed my life. He taught me the fundamentals of success, principles that once I applied them, transformed my financial situation, my mindset, and my future. And that's what I want to share with you today. The principles that can take you from where you are to where you want to be. Whether it's personal development, financial success, or simply creating a life of meaning, the key is in your hands. The question is, are you willing to make the changes necessary to get there? Let's get started. 1. Set clear goals. Jim Rohn once said, if you don't design your own life plan, chances are you'll fall into someone else's plan. And guess what they have planned for you? Not much. Success begins with clarity. What do you want to achieve? Whether it's financial freedom, a healthier body, or better relationships, you must define your goals. Write them down, break them into small steps, and commit to them. Success begins with having a clear goal. Jim Rohn taught that without a definite target, life becomes aimless, leading to wasted effort and missed opportunities. A well-defined goal gives direction and purpose, helping you make better decisions. Instead of vague aspirations like, I want to be successful, set specific, measurable objectives. For example, if financial independence is your goal, determine the exact amount you need and create a step-by-step plan to achieve it. Writing goals down strengthens commitment and keeps them fresh in your mind. Breaking big goals into smaller milestones makes progress manageable and keeps motivation high. Reviewing goals regularly allows for adjustments and improvements. Jim Rohn believed that goals should challenge but remain realistic. With a clear vision, 2. Develop self-discipline. Motivation may get you started, but discipline will keep you going. Jim Rohn taught that success is not a one-time event, but a daily habit. Wake up early, stick to your commitments, and do what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it. Every day make small improvements, and over time, they will lead to massive results. Self-discipline is the foundation of success. Jim Rohn believed that success is not about luck, but about consistently doing the right things, even when you don't feel like it. Motivation fades, but discipline keeps you moving forward. It means making small, daily decisions that align with your goals. Waking up early, staying focused, and avoiding distractions. Discipline is choosing long-term rewards over short-term pleasures. Creating productive habits makes discipline easier, because routines reduce the need for constant willpower. Saying no to time-wasting activities and focusing on personal growth strengthens self-control. Jim Rohn often said, discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. The more you practice discipline, the stronger it becomes. Without it, even the best plans fail, but with it, small, consistent actions lead to extraordinary results over time. 3. Invest in personal growth. Jim Rohn believed that success is something you attract by becoming a better person. He said, formal education will make you a living, self-education will make you a fortune. Read books, listen to great mentors, attend seminars, and continuously upgrade your skills. The more you learn, the more you earn, both financially and in life. Personal growth is the key to lasting success. Jim Rohn believed that success is not something you chase, but something you attract by becoming a better version of yourself. Your level of achievement will never exceed your level of personal development. Investing in yourself through reading, learning new skills, and seeking mentorship increases your value addiposity. Surround yourself with ambitious, knowledgeable people. Influences your mindset and habits. Continuous learning helps you adapt to challenges and discover new possibilities. Jim Rohn emphasized daily self-education, whether through books, seminars, or meaningful conversations. Growth is not just about career success. It improves confidence, relationships, and overall well-being. The more you grow, the more capable you become. Success is a journey of constant improvement, not a final destination. 4. Take full responsibility, no excuses, no blaming circumstances, luck, or other people. Jim Rohn emphasized that the moment you take 100% responsibility for your life, you take back control. If things aren't working out, ask yourself, what can I do differently? Instead of waiting for opportunities, create them. Instead of complaining, take action. Take massive action is the key to turning dreams into reality. Jim Rohn believed that ideas and plans mean nothing without execution. Many people wait for the perfect moment, but success comes to those who take action despite uncertainty. Small, consistent steps build momentum, leading to big results over time. Fear and doubt often stop people from starting, but confidence grows through action. The difference between achievers and dreamers is their willingness to push forward, even when conditions are not ideal. Jim Rohn said, "The few who do are the envy of the many who only watch." Action creates progress, reveals opportunities, and builds resilience. Success is not about perfection, but persistence. By taking bold steps daily, you move closer to your goals and turn potential into achievement. 5. Take massive action. One of the biggest lessons from Jim Rohn is that ideas without action are useless. Too many people dream, but never do. They wait for the perfect time, but there is no perfect time. Only now. Start today. Take risks, fail, learn, and try again. Action is the bridge between where you are and where you want to be. Purpose deep is the key to overcoming obstacles and achieving long-term success. Jim Rohn believed that setbacks and failures are part of the journey, but those who keep going eventually reach their goals. Most people give up when things get tough, but true winners push through challenges with determination. Every failure provides a lesson, helping you grow stronger and wiser. Success is not about avoiding difficulties, but about staying committed despite them. Consistency in effort, even when results are not immediate, leads to progress over time. Jim Rohn often said, if you really want something, you will find a way. If not, you will find an excuse. Those who refuse to quit develop resilience, and that persistence turns dreams into reality. The journey may be tough, but perseverance makes success inevitable. Jim Rohn's philosophy is simple but life-changing. Set goals, build discipline, never stop learning, take responsibility, and take massive action. If you apply these principles, you can achieve anything in life.